Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years, originating in spiritual traditions such as Buddhism and Hinduism. Today, it is embraced globally as a means to enhance mental clarity, emotional balance, and overall well-being. But what happens to the brain and body when we meditate? Modern scientific research is increasingly uncovering the profound physiological and neurological benefits of this ancient practice. In this video, we'll explore the science behind meditation, focusing on how it impacts the brain, reduces stress, and improves health. What is meditation? At its core, meditation is a practice that trains attention and awareness. By focusing on a particular object, such as the breath, a word, or a sound, or by cultivating mindfulness, non-judgmental awareness of the present moment, meditation allows individuals to observe their thoughts and emotions without attachment. This practice helps quiet the mind, reduce mental clutter, and bring about a sense of calm. There are many types of meditation, including mindfulness meditation, cultivates present moment awareness. Loving kindness meditation, metta, focuses on generating compassion for oneself and others. Transcendental meditation involves the use of a mantra to help transcend ordinary thought. Zen meditation encourages observation of the breath and body sensations in the pursuit of insight. While these practices may differ in technique, they all share a common goal: fostering greater mental clarity, emotional regulation, and inner peace. How meditation affects the brain. 1. Structural changes in the brain. One of the most compelling discoveries in the science of meditation is that it can actually change the brain's structure. Studies using MRI, magnetic resonance imaging, have revealed that regular meditation can lead to both increases in gray matter density and changes in specific brain regions. These changes often occur in areas responsible for memory, empathy, and stress regulation. For instance, research from Harvard Medical School found that after just 8 weeks of mindfulness meditation, participants showed increased gray matter in the hippocampus, the brain region associated with memory and learning, and a reduction in the amygdala, the part of the brain involved in the fight-or-flight stress response. This suggests that meditation not only improves cognitive function, but also helps reduce the brain's reactivity to stress. 2. Neuroplasticity. Meditation promotes neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new neural connections throughout life. This is a critical factor in mental health because neuroplasticity supports learning, memory, and emotional adaptation. Regular meditation appears to encourage the brain to strengthen neural networks associated with positive thinking, empathy, and emotional resilience, while weakening pathways related to stress and fear. For example, mindfulness meditation has been shown to increase the activity and thickness of the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for executive functions such as decision-making, self-control, and attention regulation. Conversely, it reduces activity in the default mode network, DMN, which is often responsible for mind wandering and rumination, two processes that can contribute to anxiety and depression. 3. Reduction in stress hormones. Stress is a natural response to perceived threats, and it triggers the release of hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which prepare the body for fight or flight. However, chronic stress can have serious health implications, including heart disease, high blood pressure, and weakened immune function. Meditation helps reduce the production of these stress hormones by activating the parasympathetic nervous system, also known as the rest and digest system. Studies have shown that regular meditation practice lowers cortisol levels, which are elevated during stressful situations. By calming the body's stress response, meditation not only promotes relaxation, but also protects the body from the harmful effects of chronic stress. Meditation and emotional regulation. Emotions play a significant role in both mental and physical health. Emotional imbalances such as chronic anger, fear, or sadness can lead to a range of health problems, from digestive issues to cardiovascular diseases. Meditation helps cultivate emotional intelligence and self-regulation, making it easier to manage difficult emotions. 1. Increased emotional awareness. Meditation encourages practitioners to become more aware of their thoughts and feelings without judgment. This mindful awareness enables individuals to observe their emotions as they arise, rather than becoming overwhelmed by them. By developing this non-reactive stance, people can better manage stress, anxiety, and other negative emotions. Research has shown that mindfulness meditation increases activity in the anterior cingulate cortex, the brain area involved in self-regulation, decision-making, and emotional awareness. This heightened activity enables individuals to more effectively monitor and adjust their emotional responses. 2. Reduction in anxiety and depression. Meditation, particularly mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR, has been widely studied for its effects on anxiety and depression. MBSR is an 8-week program that teaches mindfulness meditation to help people reduce stress and improve their mental well-being. Numerous studies have shown that MBSR can significantly reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, even in people with chronic conditions. By focusing on the present moment and observing thoughts without judgment, mindfulness meditation helps break the cycle of negative thought patterns that often underlie anxiety and depression. It encourages individuals to shift their focus from worry about the future or regrets about the past to acceptance of the present, fostering a greater sense of calm and contentment. Meditation and physical health. 1. Lower blood pressure. Chronic high blood pressure, hypertension, is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Meditation has been shown to reduce blood pressure by encouraging relaxation and reducing stress. One study conducted by the American Heart Association found that participants who practiced transcendental meditation experienced significant reductions in systolic and diastolic blood pressure, as well as a reduced risk of heart attack and stroke. This reduction in blood pressure is believed to be due to the relaxation response triggered by meditation, which dilates blood vessels and improves blood flow. Improved immune function. Meditation has been shown to strengthen the immune system, helping the body fight off infections and illnesses. One study conducted at the University of Wisconsin-Madison found that participants who practiced mindfulness meditation had a higher immune response to a flu vaccine compared to those who did not meditate. This suggests that meditation can enhance the body's ability to mount a defense against pathogens. The exact mechanisms behind this immune boost are not entirely understood, but it's likely that meditation's ability to reduce stress plays a key role. Chronic stress suppresses immune function, leaving the body more vulnerable to illness. By reducing stress, meditation helps support a healthy immune system. 3. Better sleep. Sleep is crucial for overall health, but many people struggle with insomnia or poor quality sleep. Meditation, especially mindfulness and body scan techniques, can help improve sleep by calming the mind and reducing stress. By focusing on the breath or bodily sensations, meditation helps quiet the mental chatter that often keeps people awake at night. Research has shown that meditation can improve both the quality and duration of sleep. One study published in JAMA Internal Medicine found that participants who practiced mindfulness meditation experienced significant improvements in their sleep patterns, as well as a reduction in symptoms of insomnia. How to incorporate meditation into daily life. For beginners, meditation may seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some tips to help you get started. 1. Start small. Begin with just 5 to 10 minutes of meditation each day, gradually increasing the duration as you become more comfortable. 2. Create a routine. Establish a consistent time and place for your meditation practice. Whether it's first thing in the morning or before bed, consistency is key. 3. Focus on the breath. The breath is a powerful anchor for the mind. Simply focusing on your inhales and exhales can help calm the mind and body. 4. Use guided meditations. If you're unsure where to start, guided meditations can be helpful. Many apps and online platforms offer a variety of guided sessions, ranging from beginner to advanced. 5. Be patient. Meditation is a skill that takes time to develop. Don't get discouraged if your mind wanders during practice. Simply bring your focus back to your breath or point of concentration without judgment. In conclusion, the science behind meditation is clear. This ancient practice offers a wealth of physical, mental, and emotional benefits. From reducing stress and anxiety to enhancing brain function and improving sleep, meditation is a powerful tool for cultivating overall well-being. At Balance Echo, we believe that incorporating meditation into daily life can lead to profound personal transformation. Whether you're seeking to reduce stress, improve focus, or foster emotional balance, meditation is a practice that can help you achieve your goals and restore harmony between mind and body. Join our community. Subscribe and like this video and explore Balance Echo for more insights on mind-body wellness, meditation, and holistic health practices. Leave a comment and connect with others who are on the same journey to a balanced life.